Welcome to the series of educational videos for the MS21 Plus system. The video you are now watching presents electronic signatures. How does the electronic signature work in MS21 Plus and what is its purpose? The electronic signature is necessary for every user who wants to file an application in the MS21 Plus system, evaluate the subsidy application, administer the integrated strategy, or work with documents. The video will introduce the types of electronic signatures and their purpose, explain the abbreviations CNA and CWE, and show how to make the signature operational in case of difficulties. The video is divided into thematic chapters. You can skip to the selected theme. An electronic signature is used in the MS21 Plus system for the signing of files and objects. The files may be either uploaded to the system by the user, such as documents attached to subsidy applications, or they can be generated by the system, for instance, a print version of a subsidy application for signing. Objects are signed as a whole, not just their print versions. Object signatures are used, for example, in the project evaluation process. Only a qualified personal certificate issued by an accredited certification service provider may be used in the system. The supported authorities include Post Signum, First Certification Authority, Identity. The MS21 Plus system supports the use of private keys. The private key is part of the certificate and contains unique encrypted data for establishing an electronic signature. It is used for guaranteeing the identity, and that is why it must not be shared. The private key may be stored using one of the following methods: token, system storage, local computer file storage. Signing in the MS21 Plus system is only allowed using the CryptoNative app and the CryptoWeb extension for the browser, both of which can be downloaded via links in the ISKP21 Plus within the hardware and software requirements. The CryptoNative app is supported for Windows as well as macOS operating systems. The CryptoWeb extension is supported for Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, and Microsoft Edge browsers. This part of the video will show an example of how to install the CryptoNative app under Windows 10 operating system and the CryptoWeb extension in Google Chrome browser. Open the Hardware and Software Requirements link at the ISKP21 Plus portal, where a link for the download of the CryptoNative app and the CryptoWeb extension can be found. At the website, click the Windows button. Select the 32-bit or 64-bit version according to your operating system. The download starts after clicking. Open the installation file and begin the installation. Move to the selection of the installation destination. We recommend installing in the Personal folder. This will prevent possible complications due to the restriction of rights by the operating system. An example of the target address is C, users, your username. Installation starts after clicking the Install button. Close the dialog box after successful installation. The CryptoWeb extension is installed directly in the web browser and can be downloaded from the corresponding browser store. Open the web address from the CNA installation and select Chrome. You will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. You can install the extension via the Add to Chrome button on the right side. The browser will inform you that the extension was successfully added. Then, close the browser and open it again. You can verify correctness of the installation by opening the Browser Compatibility Test tool. Open the Hardware and Software Requirements link at the ISKP21 Plus portal. The lower side of the screen offers testing of the browser compatibility. After clicking, a new browser tab opens with the button for the certificate validation. Then open a dialog box for the signature. Select the valid certificate by left-clicking and then click Sign. This part of the video will introduce the most common problems concerning the CryptoNative app and the CryptoWeb extension. No token is offered for selection in the CryptoNative app. If no token is offered in the selection of the signature, it is most likely caused by missing drivers or libraries. First, check if the token is displayed in the certificate publisher's application, for instance, the iSignum application in the case of the Post Signum authority. Then we recommend updating the applications. If the token is offered in the certificate publisher's application, but not in the CryptoNative app, try adding the drivers manually. Open the dialog box for the CryptoNative app via the Browser Compatibility Test and then click the blue text Manage Drivers in the Chip Cards and Tokens section. A new box, Drivers Manager, opens. Make sure the certificate publisher is checked and click Save. The right procedure will allow selecting the token and completing the signature. If the problem persists even after restarting, please contact the user support. Contact details are shown in the lower part of the ISKP21 Plus portal screen. The portal reports that my certificate is invalid. The situation where the portal reports that a certificate is invalid during signature process. That occurs if you do not have a qualified certificate from supported authorities, or your certificate is about to expire. The certificate must be valid at least for 48 hours after signing to be accepted. The portal reports that either CryptoNative app or Crypto Web extension is not installed. If this message pops up despite having the CryptoNative app as well, the Crypto Web extension installed, this probably means incorrect installation, or you don't have sufficient user permissions for the destination of the installation. We recommend sticking to the installation guide in the previous chapter of this video. Thank you for watching. In case of difficulties or if you have further questions regarding the CNA and CWE, you can use the FAQ link on the title page of the ISKP21 Plus portal. You can contact the user support by sending an email to podpora_ms21@ms21.mssf.cz or by calling to the telephone number +420 800 203 207 on weekdays from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m.